What's up guys, and welcome back to the next episode of this little Ford Connect micro campervan conversion. So if you're new to the series, there'll be a link up in the top corner going to the playlist showing all of the jobs that will be going throughout this conversion of this Ford Connect little micro campervan. So if you haven't seen all the previous episodes, or if you just want to recap, have a look on the link above. That'll go through to the playlist showing all of the conversion work. So in today's job, I'm going to be starting carpet lining the inside of the van. I've got the passenger side and the driver's side panels all there. I've also got a big roll of the four-way stretch carpet as well, with plenty of the high temperature trim fix spray adhesive. Now if you're looking for any of the stretch carpet or the high temperature spray adhesive, check the link below the video. There'll be links going out to eBay where I've bought this exact roll of the four-way stretch carpet, as well as all the high temperature spray adhesives, things like that as well. So if you're looking for similar sort of stuff, check the link below and that'll go out to where I've bought all this stuff. So first things first, I'm going to be doing the ply panels, getting them lined up, and then seeing what metalwork is then going to have to be carpet lined as well. This van did have previous carpet lining inside it. The previous owner started it and then abandoned the project when he pretty much just finished the carpet lining. So I've removed all of the carpet lining that was already in here because he'd used black carpet lining and it just made the interior of the van look really dark and a little bit dull. So I'm going to be using a lighter colour of the stretch carpet, so that should give a little bit of a brighter interior, especially by the time I've got all the window round and trimmed as well. That's going to add extra light coming in as well. So there's going to be plenty of jobs to do today. As I say, the passenger side and the driver's side ply panels are both going to get fully carpeted, and then when they're in place or ready to go in place, I'm going to go around and see where any of the exposed bare metal is left, and all of that's also going to get carpeted as well, just so there's no bare metal exposed, of which then condensation can form and start dripping away, things like that. That's one of the main reasons why you do the carpet lining inside the vans, just to cover over any of the cold surfaces, the bare metal, things like that, because that's where you would get condensation forming during the night time while you're away in the camper van. So I'm going to crack on, get some tools out, some safety gear out, some masks out, because the trim fix spray adhesive isn't particularly the best stuff to be breathing in, so you do really want a mask when you're applying that as well. So I'm going to lay these boards down just on the floor, take some measurements and cut some of the four-way trim carpet down. Then we'll get it stretched out, sprayed down, get it adhered, and we'll see what the ply panels and the interior look like at the end of the episode when it's all finished. So let's get cracked on and get the carpet lining started and hopefully finished by the end of the episode. Right, so that's all of the panels now fully carpeted. I've actually fitted both of the rear door panels in as well. The sliding door, I've also created a new panel for that, and as you can see, that's nicely trimmed around the window as well. So that's come out nice and neat looking as well. And as you can see, I have carpeted behind the ply panel just to be sure that there's no exposed bare metal like running down the side runners, things like that as well. So that's all the side panels, the sliding door and rear doors fully carpeted. So now I'm going to get the side panels mounted in place, and then I can see what bare metal might need to be carpeted over, just again to make sure there's no exposed bare metal left in the conversion. So I'm going to get these mounted in place, see what bare metal's left, then we'll do some drawing around that, get all that carpeted up, and that'll be the carpeting fully complete. Right guys, so that is the carpeting all done now. I've managed to also get the solar panel up on the roof, which is allowing me to get all the insulation up and the headlining up as well. And when I was putting the headlining up, I've fitted in a couple of the LED downlights as well, but they were just basic fit. I haven't wired them in or anything like that. Those have just been fitted in place, ready to be wired in when all the units in place. But that's all of the side panels, all fully carpeted, all of the metalwork going around that would have been exposed, all around the seat belts up front as well, and the sliding door. It's all been nicely carpeted, and I'm really happy and pleased with how it's all turned out as well. So that'll do it for this episode of the carpeting. There's going to be plenty more jobs to come in this Ford Connect micro camper van conversion. So if you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button. If you made it all the way through to the end of the video, consider giving it a good old thumbs up as well. It really does help the video and the channel grow. So as I say, I hope you found the video useful. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully I'll see you in the following episodes of this Ford Connect micro camper van conversion. Thanks for watching. Cheers.